The 2026 Honda SL70 is a compact entry-level motorcycle designed for beginners, casual riders, and fans of classic Honda engineering. This lightweight bike combines simplicity, reliability, and ease of use, making it ideal for learning the fundamentals of riding while still offering fun and versatility. At ZeeAutoAdvisor, we explore motorcycles for their performance, usability, and overall riding experience. The Honda SL70 continues Honda's legacy of producing motorcycles that are approachable, durable, and enjoyable, perfect for riders who want a practical and reliable two-wheeler. Design and styling classic and functional. The SL70 retains a classic Honda look with clean lines, a simple fuel tank, and a compact frame. Its retro styling pays homage to Honda's history, while incorporating modern touches for durability and comfort. The upright seating position, slim body, and lightweight frame make the bike easy to handle, especially for beginners or younger riders. Its minimalistic design emphasizes function over form, allowing riders to focus on learning, control, and comfort. Engine performance smooth and manageable. At the heart of the SL70 is a small displacement single-cylinder engine, tuned for smooth and predictable power delivery. The engine is lightweight, fuel-efficient, and reliable, making it ideal for city streets, short commutes, and casual rides. Although it is not a high-performance machine, the SL70 provides enough power to instill confidence in beginner riders. The predictable throttle response allows learners to practice control, braking, and cornering safely. Transmission and gearbox, easy to use. The SL70 comes with a manual transmission that is simple and forgiving for novice riders. Gear shifts are light, smooth, and easy to operate, allowing beginners to focus on learning proper riding technique without being overwhelmed. The clutch is modulated for smooth starts and stops, while the gear ratios are optimized for both city commuting and light off-road practice. This makes the SL70 an ideal learning bike for riders of all ages. Chassis and frame, lightweight and stable. The SL70's frame is designed for stability and control. Its lightweight construction ensures easy maneuverability, while the geometry provides balance at low speeds and stability when cornering. For beginners. This is crucial in building confidence. The bike allows riders to experiment with different techniques without worrying about excessive weight or complex handling characteristics. Suspension, comfort, and control. The 2026 SL70 features front telescopic forks and rear twin shocks that absorb minor bumps and uneven surfaces. This simple suspension system provides a comfortable ride for city streets, park trails, and casual off-road paths. The suspension setup is forgiving yet responsive, teaching beginners how to handle varying surfaces while maintaining control and comfort. Handling lightweight and agile. Handling is one of the SL70's standout features. Its compact frame, low weight, and upright seating allow riders to maneuver easily in tight spaces, make sharp turns, and navigate crowded streets or trails with confidence. The bike responds predictably to rider input, providing a safe and controlled learning environment. This makes it ideal for building foundational riding skills. Braking system reliable and safe. The SL70 comes with front and rear drum brakes that are simple but reliable. The braking system allows new riders to modulate stopping power easily without sudden lockups. This predictability is essential for beginner riders, helping them understand braking distances and techniques while staying safe on different surfaces. Ergonomics. Comfort for beginners. The Honda SL70 is designed with beginner ergonomics in mind. The upright seating position, low seat height, and well-placed handlebars make it easy to reach the controls and feel stable while riding. Foot pegs are positioned for a natural riding posture, allowing learners to practice weight shifting and standing positions on light trails. Comfort and accessibility make it easier for beginners to ride for extended periods without fatigue. Fuel efficiency and practicality. Economical and low maintenance. One of the SL70's strengths is its excellent fuel efficiency. The small engine consumes minimal fuel, allowing for longer rides without frequent refueling. Maintenance is simple, with easily accessible components and durable Honda engineering. This makes the SL70 a practical choice for new riders, city commuters, or those looking for a reliable, low-maintenance motorcycle. Riding experience. Fun and engaging. The 2026 Honda SL70 offers a riding experience that is both enjoyable and instructive. Its lightweight nature, smooth engine, and predictable handling make it a perfect bike for beginners to build confidence and learn new skills. Urban streets, park paths, and light trails are easy to navigate. Riders can enjoy the thrill of riding while developing control, braking, and cornering abilities, making each journey rewarding and educational. Who should ride the SL70? Perfect for beginners. The Honda SL70 is ideal for young riders, beginners, and anyone seeking a simple, lightweight motorcycle for learning or casual use. Its forgiving power delivery, predictable handling, and comfortable ergonomics make it approachable for new riders. Parents can also feel confident allowing younger riders to use the SL70, as it provides a safe environment for skill development without compromising on fun. Comparison to competitors, lightweight and accessible. In the small displacement entry-level segment, the SL70 stands out for its simplicity, reliability, and beginner-friendly design. Many competitors focus on either styling or engine performance, but the SL70 prioritizes usability, balance, and longevity. Its compact frame, smooth engine, and straightforward controls make it one of the most accessible motorcycles for new riders, emphasizing safety, learning, and fun. Long-term ownership, reliable and durable. Honda's reputation for reliability is evident in the SL70. Durable components, minimal maintenance requirements, and a simple design ensure long-term ownership with minimal hassles. Riders can expect years of dependable performance. Whether used for learning, commuting, or light recreational riding, the SL70 is a motorcycle that grows with the rider, providing consistent reliability and enjoyment over time. Conclusion. ZeeAutoAdvisor final verdict. The 2026 Honda SL70 is an ideal entry-level motorcycle that balances simplicity, reliability, and fun. Its lightweight frame, smooth engine, and beginner-friendly ergonomics make it perfect for new riders, younger enthusiasts, and casual riders looking for a practical, low-maintenance bike. Whether riding city streets, park trails, or light off-road paths, the SL70 delivers a safe, enjoyable, and educational experience. It embodies Honda's legacy of producing durable and approachable motorcycles that provide confidence and skill-building opportunities for all riders. This review is brought to you by Z, where motorcycles are analyzed for performance, usability, and long-term reliability. The 2026 Honda SL70 proves that even a small, lightweight motorcycle can deliver maximum fun, safety, and practicality for beginner riders.